This 1970s catalog documents the definitive tool that changed the construction industry forever. For nearly half a century before this catalog was produced, Skil was the unmatched industry standard. For countless professionals, the day they first experienced a worm drive skill saw was the day they realized their work would never be the same. How did this tool set the standard? The difference was in a commitment to industrial integrity that is nearly impossible to find today. On the opening page, Skilsaw staked its reputation on their 45 years of product integrity. This wasn't just a marketing line, it was a promise backed by superior design. The choice to use all ball-bearing construction throughout the motor and drive mechanism was the single most defining factor. This commitment to longevity, precision, and minimizing friction was so rare and so effective that it single-handedly reset the entire industry benchmark. This attention to quality wasn't cheap. It meant Skilsaw was never the lowest priced tool, but professionals happily paid the premium because they understood the investment. They knew that a tool that didn't fail in the middle of a job paid for itself many times over. This catalog is a testament to that unspoken contract between the manufacturer and the tradesman. Uncompromising quality for uncompromising work. The undisputed king of the catalog is the legendary Model 77 worm drive saw. This model delivered concentrated torque and unmatched power. The unique gear train orientation allowed the motor to sit behind the blade, giving the user a better line of sight and superior leverage. But the real secret was the Super Burnout Protected Motor. This motor was chemically treated and specially varnished to resist the three enemies of job site tools: heat, vibration, and moisture. This was engineering built for continuous duty, a saw designed literally not to fail. This dedication to over-engineering is precisely why the Model 77 became the tool that every rival had to measure themselves against for the next half-century after it hit the market. Competitors like Black & Decker and Stanley had to scramble to develop their own heavy-duty solutions just to compete with the Skilsaw's torque and reliability on major construction sites. The market wasn't just changed, it was reorganized around the capabilities of this one machine. We can see the immense breadth of their confidence in this catalog. Beyond the Model 77, Skilsaw offered a complete line of heavy-duty industrial tools, from high-torque drills to planers and belt sanders, all built on the same foundation of industrial-grade durability. This was a company that defined itself not just by one great saw, but by an entire ecosystem of tools built for non-stop professional use. While modern construction now relies heavily on the technical innovations of cordless tools, they operate on a foundation built by this saw. The convenience of today's battery power is undeniable, but the sheer durability and raw, corded power of the vintage Skilsaw forced every competitor, from Makita to DeWalt, to step up their game and prioritize high performance. The Skilsaw Model 77 circular saw is more than just a piece of history. It is a permanent mark on the industry. The high bar set by its design and its ability to deliver uncompromising power is why the legacy of this 90-year-old saw continues to define what a power tool can be. This saw truly set the standard because after its introduction, the industry was changed forever. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing for new weekly videos. We have plenty more catalogs to uncover.